ye haume o mama mazuarume
I want you to share this video to every aspiring youth wishing to become a billionaire, perhaps in the picture of what was seen in Oba last week during the Cubana's mom's burial. Though, before you think of killing your mom or your family members to become rich or join the Oba fraternity, I want you to listen to this and also watch the video I will show you right now. I made an observation right in that program where money was not only being sprayed as usual, money was being sprayed in bundles, dollars in bundles. And the striking question be, are these guys in Nigeria? Are they in the same economy where most people are saying there's no money, the place, things are hard, things are tough? Whereas these guys right there, you see same money you are looking for staring at you like a bull, looking for who can swim inside. And another question is, where could one say the source of this particular money? I'm here today to tell you the secret of Cubani Group. That very word you see being displayed, there's a secret to it. I want to reveal it to you. Watch this very video, which everybody may have been saying, what could be the source? Look at the source from a particular narrative.
Watch this video. This is a video just to watch the man. You go to see chief priest, that is Cubana chief priest, the celebrity barman, and will be himself. This meeting now, meeting what they go do with the village for Scotland. These are some of those boys where they spend dollars. This is chief priest. He is chief priest. That chief priest himself. Then the city done. That is the done himself. Obi nowhere. Obi Cubana. This is the meeting they had in Scotland.
What can you say about this? These guys perhaps went to Scotland, putting on Scottish attire. They are show businessmen into hospitality industry and entertainment. If Kanayo or Kanayo wears this particular attire you are seeing, will you call him a ritualist? Or perhaps because he wear the clothes, then he now begin to spray money? The business I mentioned or whatever they discussed, they said the person gave them dollar. It is immaterial. Then travel abroad and go and see for that dollar. It will discover it is nowhere to be found if your brain is not working. I want you just to listen to me today, because this issue of I want to become a billionaire, I want to become this rich, has driven so many youths to be in position. Some will be killing people thinking they will be rich, only to realize after killing them that is not the money. Some have done all manner of things, joined all manner of organization and all manner of things, thinking that on belonging there you become rich. No, my friend. Any money you see where that is gotten and is sustainable can only come from here. Listen to me. There is nothing like blood money. Go and ask our fathers who we used to say they were in one place or the other for which they became rich. Go and ask them. They will be sincere to tell you at this point, after the youthful exuberances, that there is nothing like money medicine. It does not happen. No laying on hands of any man or God can make you rich if this mind is not working. That's why even God is saying, without your mind, I can do nothing. If you doubt me, join Cubana groups today. Let them in their generosity donate 100 million to you. If their brain is not working, my friend, you are gonna beg them again 6 months down the line. Listen to me, young men. There is nothing like money medicine. Overnight you get wealth. It does not happen. It is a strategically mapped this. God blessing the work of your hand, He shows forth. There's nothing in it. Kill 10 people, you will still be poor if your brain is poor. Now, let me tell you the secret of the wealth of Cubana Group and the wealth they are going to get from this very program you see that happened. Let me tell you, Cubana Group did this. I was not part of the meeting, but ultimately, they must have two major targets, and they achieved it too. What did they do? Cubana's mom died December 2020. It took this guy 7 months to plan for what you saw last week. That's why if you don't plan, you only planning to fail. They took 7 months to do that planning. Cubana High Priest Pascal donated 46 cows. And we have 46 cows. What does that mean? Over the time, they donated over 200 cows, which is capable of gathering multitude of any kind that can even fill up Wembley Stadium in UK. And these guys pull all the entertainment, all in the entertainment industries and all that, and put them together. And that program is what you saw there. It was a branding exercise. And today, without missing word, Cubana Group has become a global brand. I can tell you today, Cubana can be 10 times bigger than what it was before last Saturday. Most companies abroad, we want to deal with them. You can see Cubana tomorrow riding a private jet. You know what? That can be donated to him because the jet companies must have seen him as a brand with a big market. Rolex can give me $1 million Rolex watch. He doesn't need to buy it. He has developed a brand for that. You can see Rolls-Royce giving anything. My friend, this is what business in that direction is all about. The second thing these guys did, they have businesses in Owerri, in Anambra State, in Port Harcourt. Unfortunately, insecurity started crumbling most of this business after COVID. And that story, of course, in entertainment, in the hospitality industry, security is the key. And what did they do? They wanted to change that narrative by planning that program big, inviting all and sundry from global, across the globe. And what happened? They did that program in Oba, successfully done. There was no story of kidnap, no incident of armed robbery, there was no security breach of any kind. And you know what? This guy's business is going to boom any moment from now. Why? They have been able to show the people across the globe that Anambra is not what you are hearing on the screen. It's not what they are sharing on social media. That Southeast is as safe as possible. South is safe. What would they do? All their businesses in this area will flourish. You know what Cubana Chief Priest came to tell people? He told his Oppo, he said now that Beria has been able to take to the next level. If you want to do Beria, you need to plan big. Hear me? He is talking about his own class and his own business. You that is selling motor parts, you will now go and say, I want to go and do my mom's burial, like that of Kubani. You will go back to the village. Your own, the excuse is already obvious. That since you did your mother's burial, that's why witches and wizards in your family never you want you to prosper again. Don't be stupid. If you are into motor spare parts, and you have such a burial, you don't need to say, I must do it like Cubana. No. You can do the Cubana way, but how will you do it? You can decide to invite. You will not invite the class of Cubana. You will invite the transport buses owners, drivers, and all the taxi people. That should be your own market. And you make sure that you make your own burial in a place where there will be bad roads. So that by the time they come for your burial, after your burial, most of them will have their vehicles spoiled. They will not come back to you to buy spare parts. That is how your business model should be. So these are all about sense. The guys are doing their business, planning their own horizon and also growing their bank, and you want to go and kill yourself, thinking you will kill your mother for you to prosper. Above all, if you watch them in one of the places I give a regard to them, despite all this, they still acknowledge the source of their wealth. They give God praise. Do not go and think you will make money and you can't have your peace again. If you ensnare your soul in the cause for seeking for money, you will be living in bondage. Listen to me, you are prosperous and you are smart. Good for you, but never forget to acknowledge God that give you that very brain. That is how to enjoy protected prosperity, prosperity that have peace of mind. And I want to please share this video to every youth you know, and most importantly to your loved ones. You know what? If anybody makes their mind to go into this negative narrative that is blood money, you may be the next target. Share it now. Let us be able to enjoy peaceful prosperity, which is God's blessing upon us. Do it as we build a prosperous and also a peaceful society. God bless you.